Happy hour. So what I'd like to do tonight is an espresso martini. This is a classic, a recipe that was done in Soho in London. So it's been around this since 1983. In its word, martini, yes. So it's served in a martini glass, an espresso because it has coffee espresso in. So forget about vodka Red Bull. This is a real connoisseur's drink with combining caffeine and vodka. So the core ingredients of this is, of course, the vodka. So try and use a half decent bottle of vodka. And then we've got Kahlua. So we're going to use 2 shots of the vodka, a quarter of a shot of the Kahlua, which is a coffee liqueur, which actually comes from Mexico, really good. And then of course we're going to use a double shot of espresso coffee. So quite key to have a coffee machine. If not, you could use some kind of substitute where you've got a cold pressed coffee or something like that. The final ingredient is either sugar syrup, which we're using half a shot of, but in this case I'm going to use this, which is a hazelnut sugar syrup, which really does complement and go well with coffee. Another essential thing, we definitely need a cocktail shaker and we need crushed ice. So crushed ice here. Usually try and fill half a cocktail shaker with ice because you really want it to water down. Now I'm just going to make sure it's full. For the double shot of the espresso, I'm going to put a double of the vodka in. Half a shot of the hazelnut sugar syrup. Very important that you use the Kahlua and the sugar syrup because it just balances out the bitterness of the coffee. If you don't have the Kahlua, you could put a little bit more of this in. Use 3/4 of a shot of sugar syrup. So although this is hot, actually espresso, just going to go in there, and a quarter of a shot of the Kahlua. Now you can use different glasses for this. It can definitely be like a martini glass. But in this case, I'm going to use a coupe glass, which has got a nice edge. And what this will do is it will really show the head off. It should have a nice velvety, frothy head. So this is ready. It's a 5 out of 5 in the Difford's Cocktails Bible. And this is what what it should look like. There. It's quite a fancy glass, that one, but in essence, it's a martini glass. Really hope you're enjoying this show, and don't forget to subscribe. A lot of passion and a real labour of love going into these shows. There's lots to do on my channel, including which covers nutrition, really healthy recipes, and of course cocktails. So this should be ready now. So it's an absolute classic. It's a really good cocktail. So this is now ready for the little garnish. Just going to float a couple of the coffee beans in the top. And there we have the espresso martini. I've just brought the camera down to a level head now so you can really see the head and the cocktail itself with the 2 coffee beans in. And this is the espresso martini. Hope you're enjoying the show, everyone. Enjoy. Absolutely brilliant. Why Red Bull and vodka? This is a real drink.